Bob is training for a race and is timing himself to check he's getting faster. His times are a bit inconsistent. He wants to find his average to get a better understanding of what time he is likely to run in his race. When we say the word average, it actually can mean 3 different things. In this video, we're going to look at the one people usually mean when they say average. The mean is the sum of a set of values, divided by the number of values in that set. So to work out Bob's mean time, we add up all of his times to get 644, and now we divide by the number of values in the dataset. So divide by 14 values. Bob's mean running time is 46 minutes. Bob's friend is also running in the race. Here are his practice times. Who, on average, the mean, is faster? Pause the video and work it out. You should have worked out that Bob's friend had a mean running time of 45.9 minutes. So Bob's friend is a tiny bit faster, according to mean times. To finish this video, which group is paid more on average? Pause the video and work it out. Group 1 have a mean of £27, whereas Group 2 have a mean of £33, which suggests that Group 2 are better paid. However, did you spot that in Group 2, £75 is a clear outlier? It's much bigger than the other values. This skewed the mean to make it larger for Group 2. Whereas without the £75, then the mean for Group 2 would have been £26. Watch this video to learn more about the effect of skewed data on calculating the average. So now we know how to calculate the mean. To learn about the median and mode, watch these videos. We will also look at how to find missing values in a dataset and how to find the mean from a table in other videos. Please like and share our videos with your friends. If you have any questions that you want help with, just comment below.